is the first lecture for the course CAD. Actually, your course is CAD CAM and CAE, but I am recording the series of lectures for the first part of your course, that is CAD. That means computer aided designing. You can say computer graphics also. The another name of this course is computer graphics. So in that course you have to do the graphics with the help of computer, or you can say the designing with the aid of computer is called CAD. So in that course you have to learn the graphics part with the help of computer. So before proceeding with this course, first the introduction about this course. तो introduction में is like this कि you're supposed to take the aid of the computer. For that you should know what computer knows about the designing or graphics. To take the aid of computer, first you should know what computer knows about the graphics or the designing. Then only you can take the aid or the help of computer for your designing or drafting. So it's a basic introduction about the course CAD. Means you have to take the aid or the help of computer. So to take the aid or help of computer, you're supposed to know what computer knows about the drafting or designing, or you can say graphics. The engineering graphics you already learn in first year. The first year course you have learned engineering graphics, or yeah, you can say engineering drawing. So in that case you have used the pen, pencil and drawing sheets to draw the geometry or to draw the object on the paper with the help of some methods may be projection में orthographic projection, isometric projection you have used to draw the object on the paper. So in that course you have learned the graphics part, but here in this course you have to learn how to do this graphics with the help of computer. That means you have to take the aid of computer for the drafting. तो ये ऑलरेडी आपने स्टडी किया फर्स्ट ईयर में कि इंजीनियरिंग ग्राफिक्स एंड इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग. नाउ यू हैव टू लर्न with the help of computer. So you have to add your knowledge of computer here so that we can take the aid of the computer. So first you should know what computer knows about the designing or graphics or drafting. As far as the knowledge of computer is concerned, the computer can only draw the pixels. Suppose it is a screen of a computer and a screen is made up with some small particle. The small particle is known as pixel. Some small particles से the screen बना है, तो this small particle is known as pixel and computer can only draw the pixel. So here numbering are there. Suppose this numbering is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so on. These numbers are there, and vertically also the numbers are there 1 0 1 2 3 4 like this. So the screen are made up with some small pixels. So computer can draw pixel only. Suppose I give the input the pixel number 2 1 red. This input I have given to the computer, then computer will draw the pixel number 2 1 with the red color. So this pixel will become red and remaining all pixels are the white. So as far as the knowledge of computer is concerned, he know only the pixels. That means if you say 2 1 red, so it will make the pixel number 2 1 with the red color. Remaining all pixels are white. Similarly, suppose you have to draw a line. Is a start point of the line, is the end point of the line, and you have to draw this line with the help of computer. Suppose you have to draw it by your own. You will use scale. First you will draw start point, then end point, and by using scale just join these 2 points, you will get line. But if you take the aid of computer to draw the line, the computer don't know what do you mean by line. In that case what you have to do, you have to make this pixel, identify this pixel number and make this pixel with the red color. Then the endpoint का pixel is known, the start point and end point pixel number is known. Just make these two pixels with the red color, and then by using some formula and equation, identify the pixels in between the start point and end point on the line, and then make it with the red color. Then it will appear like a line. So in this way the computer will draw the line. So by using some formulas, you have to identify the pixel over here and then make it red, so it will become red. Then identify the pixels on the line with some formulas, make it red. So just by one pixels you're supposed to draw the line. So in this way the computer draw the line. So he don't know what do you mean by line, what do you mean by circle. He can draw only pixels. तो you have to give the input one by one. तो सारे पिक्सल का इनपुट you have to give one by one with some color. तो suppose इस पिक्सल का नंबर कुछ होगा 10, 10, and this pixel is suppose 11, 11. So what the computer will do, first from the graph from 10, 10, the pixel number 10, 10, it will make it red, and then at pixel number 11, 11, it will make it red. So in this way you have to give the input of each and every pixels in between start point and end point. So your task is to identify the pixels in between start point and end point by some formulas. Okay? This is known as the drawing of lines. Similarly, you can draw the circle also. Suppose you want to draw the circle on the screen with the help of computer. So what you will do, you will draw the circle, identify the start point of the pixel, make it red, and then you have to identify the next point of the pixel, then identify the next point of pixel on the circumference of the circle and then make it red, and then identify the next point of the pixel on the circumference of the circle and then make it red. In this way one by one you supposed to draw this circle. The known value is the center point of the circle is known and the radius of the circle is known. The center point and radius is known, and you're supposed to calculate, or you have to identify by using some formulas and some equations the pixels on the circumference of the circle, and then one by one each pixel have to make it red, green or blue so that it will become circle. So in this way the computer will draw the geometry. So as far as the knowledge of computer is concerned, he don't know the geometry, for example line, circle, ellipse, he can't draw. He only know the pixels, and you have to give the pixels ka number with some color, it will draw the geometry. So you already learned the software known as AutoCAD. In that software you have drawn the line or circle or ellipse or some curves. So in that software some command is there, some button is there, name as line button. Okay, if you press on the line button it will ask specify the first point. So you have to give the first point on the screen with the help of a mouse or keyboard. So you have to give the input the first point, specify the start point of the line, and then it will ask specify the end point of the line. So with the help of keyboard or screen you're supposed to give the information of the end point. What the AutoCAD software will do, it will identify the pixels in between by using some formula, and then draw the pixels in between start point and end point on the line, and then it will become line. So in this way the AutoCAD software draw the line. Similarly one more button is there in AutoCAD. The button name is suppose circle. If you press on the circle button it will ask specify the center point of the circle. You have to give the input of the center point of the circle with the help of keyboard or mouse, and then it will ask to give the input of the radius of the circle. So you have to give the input with the help of keyboard or mouse the radius of the circle, and then it will identify the pixels on the circumference of the circle and it will draw the pixels on the circumference of circle by using some formula. So in this way the AutoCAD software develop the geometry. So in that course you have to learn how to identify the pixels to draw the geometry, और you can say इस लाइन बटन के पीछे जो प्रोग्रामिंग लिखा है, how it work line button and how the circle button works, you have to learn in this course CAD. The one more button is there, the move command is there in AutoCAD, and trim command is there, scaling command is there, rotation command is there. All this command you have to learn how it works. तो इसके जो buttons है, the buttons available on the AutoCAD software, the line button, circle button, ellipse button, move button, the scaling button, mirroring button, these all buttons का function you have to learn in this course. What mathematics and what equations are there behind that button you have to learn in that course. So for briefly I can say in that course we are going to learn this point. The first chapter is computer graphics. The first model, or you can say model number 1, is the computer graphics. In computer graphics this point you have to learn two-dimensional computer graphics, vector generation, windowing transformation, three-dimensional computer graphics, viewing transformation, homogeneous coordinate system, perspective projection, hidden line removal algorithm, hidden surface removal algorithm, light, shade and ray tracing. These are the points you have to learn for the course CAD, computer graphics, in the first model. In second model, in continuation, in first model you have to learn the parametric representation of geometry. In that you have to learn Bezier curve, B-spline curve, cubic spline curve, the line, circle, ellipse, parabola, then constructive solid geometry, B representation, wireframe modeling, solid modeling, surface modeling, the parametric modeling, the feature based modeling, and design by features. These are the points you have to learn under the name of the computer graphics for the first model. In second model you have to learn this point, the transformation, manipulation and data storage. In transformation you have to learn 2D 3D transformation. In transformation the modified commands are there. Modified commands named as the move command, scaling command, mirroring command, and then you have to learn the object oriented programming system for transformation, then artificial intelligence in design, then knowledge based engineering. This point you have to learn for the model number 2. Okay.